Hey crafters, welcome back into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and we are on day 2. So it's December 14th. So we are on day 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas Advent box from Keepsake Quilting. So let's jump in and see what they provided today. So this is what they're calling their retro box, and that's what is important to me. I like that retro Santa. I like all that mid-century modern vintage. So that's what I was hoping this box would be a big part of. So we'll see how it goes. So this is day 2, and interesting. So this looks to be what I would call that old tomato pincushion. And so that's exactly what it is. It is a Christmas ornament. So very cute and with a little scarf in that. So this is what they consider the gift for day 2. It's definitely meant to be the old straight pin, right? Pin cushion. And so it's cute. And I've actually talked already because, Missouri Star Quilt gave us ornaments and they always have. I have some quilting ornaments and that. And I think next year we'll actually put a tree back here and put ornaments and things on it like this. So this is cute. It's different. Absolutely one that I have not seen other places. So believe me, by the time I get through Hallmark and all the other ones, it's sometimes hard to find an ornament or things that I have not seen. So it was nice that they provided this. It's a cute gift, it's different, and we'll see tomorrow what day 3 brings. So, guys, thanks for dropping in for just a few minutes to see my thoughts on the Keepsake Quilting box. I look forward to day 3 and getting an opportunity to spend just a couple of minutes with you. And I hope that you're having an amazing week. As always, until next time, happy crafting.